Hello, welcome to another video. With the increase in popularity of Fortnite, it's hard to keep the kids and even the bigger ones like me quiet on the move. So I wanted to find a solution. I wanted to find a small gaming laptop that was powerful enough to play Fortnite and other esports titles should I choose to play them. But after hours of searching the interwebs, I came to the conclusion that the popular Acer Nitro 5 15.6-inch gaming laptop was the best suited to my needs. The Nitro 5 features a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 4GB version graphics card and an Intel Core i7-7700HQ processor with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and a 128GB SSD and a 1TB hard drive to store all my games on. A full high definition IPS display, this little powerhouse certainly looked very promising, so I took to eBay to see if I could pick one up on the cheap, possibly used, just to obviously save a little bit of money. Well, it didn't take me long to find exactly what I was looking for, and for a really good price. Being only at £500 when I actually found the auction, I finally won with a bid of £540. Result! So here it is. The Acer Nitro 5 is as beastly looking as it performs. I love the red accents to offset the brushed aluminium look finish. It really does look nice, but how does it perform handling Fortnite? The actual sole purpose this laptop was bought for. Well, scoring 5,119 on Firestrike, I knew this was a great buy. So let us see how it planned out on Fortnite. Using NVIDIA Shadowplay to record the gameplay, I set the graphics to optimal settings, which automatically set the game to 1080p on the high preset, and it ran perfectly. Saw an average of 60 frames per second and from time to time did drop as low as the 40s, but I would say that this was perfectly playable, especially whilst recording, which does affect your frame rate, but it was barely noticeable. For your information, I did test out other games I personally like and will play, and this little powerhouse didn't disappoint me really. Minecraft Windows 10 Edition sat at a constant 60 frames per second, no trouble at all. Even in areas with lots of trees and lots of water, I didn't see any dips in performance at all. Absolutely brilliant. Next I tried out Grid, and I did modify the file's code to allow me to play it at 1080p, and despite my terrible driving skills whilst trying to use keyboard and mouse, it would be fair to say that we saw an average of 90 frames per second, but we did see some massive drops when I crashed, ran about to the mid 40s in some cases, but I feel as though it was a lot smoother to play than playing on a console. So last but not least, I played and tested Rocket League, which is easily one of my favourite games on the PC, which never seemed to move from the 60 frames per second mark with maxed out settings on 1080p, making it super enjoyable and very buttery smooth. Happy days. Well, I hope this demonstrates that the Acer Nitro 5 is not only perfect for playing Fortnite, but will handle all esports games perfectly fine, which makes it the ideal portable gaming laptop and one that doesn't hurt your wallet too much either. Well, that's all we have time for today in this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Feel free to leave a dislike if you didn't, but why not subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. But hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye for now.